Muddugombemounitha. Today I will show you one experiment. My experiment name is water purification. So today I will show you how to filter the dirty water. See friends, can you see the dirty water? Can we drink it? No. I will show you how to filter the dirty water. Let's start the filtration process. For that we need charcoal, sand, pebbles and big stones. It is a 4-layer of filtration process. For that, take a bottle and add some cotton into the bottle. Now it's time for the first layer. Add some charcoal into the bottle. Add some sand into the bottle. And add some pebbles into the bottle. And add some big stones into the bottle. Big stones helps to filter the leaves and big stones. Pebbles helps to filter the medium particles. Sand helps to filter the tiny particles. Charcoal helps to remove the foul smell from the dirty water. See friends, how I am pouring the dirty water. Dirty water gets filtered and come down. Let's wait and see what happens. See friends, did you see how clear the water is coming? Wow! Yay! See, the clear water is coming down. So this process really worked. We added the dirty water but we got the clear water through this filtration process. Water is life and clear water means health. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.